Good morning. Welcome back to an all new video. So today we woke up to some flurries. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them. They're pretty small. But yes, when I woke up this morning, I saw these. So I just had to go make a quick trip to the store. What you guys are going to see, the more you notice me do uploads, is I go to the store almost every day, every morning. I make a quick run in and out, going to the store, picking up last minute small little bitty things that I just happen to need something almost every day. But yeah, it's getting ready to snow, so I figure why not run and get the kids a few things to have. And this is just a real small haul of items that I picked up. So I grabbed some Kobe cheese, some marshmallows. We're going to do hot chocolate later. I grabbed some activities that they had for like $1. I grabbed 2 activity pads, a pack of goldfishes, and a box of Omaze. These are my favorite treat to have during this season. It's a limited edition and it sells out really fast. So I had to grab that. Grab some bacon, some chicken to throw into the air fryer, some Fairlife milk for my daughter. I grabbed 2 of those juices for lunch. I'm going to make my sister's dad, she's my best friend, she's my sister, some tripe and hot chocolate. And those are my favorite trash bags to purchase from the stores. So yeah, that is what I grabbed. And you guys, look, the flurries are getting bigger. You guys, it is super cute. Best believe you won't catch me going out. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to make a quick breakfast. I wanted a bacon egg sandwich this morning, so yeah. And you guys, this is the only way I like to cook my bacon on the stove in a sheet. If I'm making pork bacon, I prefer to have the uncured turkey bacon. They didn't have that at Snook, so I just grabbed the pork bacon. And yeah, that's the only way I like to prepare it. And look how perfect it come out, y'all. Like, so perfect. You don't even have to stand over the stove. You have to worry about the grease popping. It's perfect. And one of my daughters, she's ready for the bacon now. She's like, can I have a piece of bacon? Because it is a treat for us to have that kind of bacon because I only buy turkey. So she was ready to eat it right away, especially before class started. So yeah, with my eggs, I don't like them cook all the way. So what I do when I make my eggs, I'll take them off the owls back and forth so they're not cooking too fast because I like to cook them pretty slow. And Josiah is in the dining room looking for mama's attention, so I have to make this a quick breakfast. No pancakes, nothing today, just the easy bacon egg sandwich. Look at her. She's bringing me back her plate and looking at the snow. But yeah, so I usually go back and forth with the eggs. I take it off, put it back on, take it off, put it back on. That's what I do. They work perfect for me. They're not hard. And then even once they're sitting, they're still pretty moist. See? And I just let them sit. And then I'm going to throw a must on there. I have to have cheese eggs. My husband isn't eating breakfast at the moment because he's still resting, but he doesn't like cheese on his eggs. So I'm happy that I could just throw all my cheese on while I'm cooking and I don't have to worry about it. So when he wakes up, of course, I'm going to have to make him some. But yeah, I just let it cook off the owl so it does not so they don't go hard. Cheesy goodness. And I did not have any more strawberry jelly, so I'm just going to be doing butter on my toast this morning. So maybe tomorrow I'll be back at the store getting me some strawberry jelly because I need some. I didn't have any, but at the moment, yes, I'm just going to be having butter on my toast. So yeah, there you have it, my little breakfast sandwich. quick and easy. Something to get my day started, because 9 times out of 10, I may skip breakfast, but I have a lot to do today. So I definitely need to make sure I have me a good hot meal. Yep, that's my breakfast sandwich.